This course is going to give you a brief overview of how to use the timetable links from the UVic academic calendar. Now, first of all, I've selected a course. In this case, I'm looking at Anthropology 100. Once you find the course you're interested in, scroll down to the bottom and you'll notice a course schedules field. UVic operates with 3 distinct terms: summer, fall, and spring. The fall and spring timetables are available as of May 15th. The summer timetable is available on February 15th. If I click on the summer 2020 timetable link, I'm going to see the class schedule listing for Anthropology 100, Intro to Anthropology. Now this gives me all the details that I need. It's also going to tell me the times, days of the week, and the building. Now if I go back to my calendar entry, back to Anthropology 100, what if I select a term that's not yet open for registration? For instance, if I'm looking at my summer session, but I accidentally click on the spring term of the following year, I'm going to get the following message: no classes were found that meet your search criteria. If you get this message, it means one of two things. Either it's too early to select the term that you're trying to register for, or it could just mean that that particular course is not being offered in that term. In either case, just use your back button, go back to the course, and pick a different term. If necessary, you may have to choose a different course if it's not available for the term you're registering in.